downstairs garage where I make really stupid decisions. This is one of them. So this is my new to me 2011 328i with X-Drive.
Okay.
However, this is what it sounds like. Yeah, so obviously it has a pretty decent misfire. Also a shit ton of miles. Not to mention some nice damage from the previous owner. I guess the hood flew up and I don't know what happened here. Other than those issues, this car is pretty solid. Not really. Ow. There we go. You didn't see that. Pulled some codes up on the scanner and it has a misfire code for cylinder 1. I think it's the injector, so let's get that injector replaced. I can't get the motherfucking bolt out because this stupid motherfucker in the way. I got some shit for you, man. This guy be the bullshit guy. I got some shit for your bullshit. I hate BMWs.
Yeah, that's why you had to have it.
Gotcha, bitch.
Let's fire it up, shall we? Yeah, so we're still misfiring. Spark plugs, maybe. No difference. Not good. We're gonna try spark plugs now. And if that doesn't work, I'm gonna push it off a cliff. I do believe the fuel pump could be causing a lean issue, which is in turn causing our cylinder 1 misfire. So I have a new fuel pump coming in. I'm gonna throw that in when it gets here and hopefully it resolves our issue. Fresh spark plug in cylinder 1. We are getting no fuel in cylinder 1. I let the car run for about 10 minutes, pulled the spark plug back out, completely clean, bone dry, like it was fresh out of the box. Now we're down to wiring. I fucking hate wiring.